Remaso the road time to look you road time are so let time for my chet how cool or cat like na P and let the pack go bike go kind now let the pack go and long of kind time Eddie Lopons and you when it you are going to breathe you're going to be in touch with yourself. Okay. Don't lean on the chair. Now job me that the middle that time that time. Bien chet how go see time. The art and a dominate bedtime. Dominate bedtime. I dominate him. I chet out him a low boo. Let him a low boo. I did it. That out chat had that. Out chat ham. Out chat ham. Gently close your eyes. Yin tata yellow paper. Here will literally slow and deep breathing. Slow and deep breathing. Let the pack go ye by let the pack go not low Eddie low kaita let the pass low till low ta. This is to be in touch with yourself. When lay Nana shine shoe paper. When lay the machine the resurao and the map you be. Now when lega tikana go oxygen supply low pain. A may muigrea the physical body go at home you larani. Home you la to pay money. Down the subject to be the good. And down go ye kana go pian bit of meta taba. I have a claim little of joy of video clip on loving kindness. အဲ့ဒါမေတ္တာအဲ့မေတ္တာနဲ့အသက်ရှူပါမျက်လုံးလေးမိတ်ထား Deep and gentle breathing deep and gentle breathing Just feel how your heart is beating how your tummy is working how your metabolism That is, the heat in the body is functioning quite well. How your breathing system is working quite good. Quite good. ကိုယ်ကိုမေတ္တာနဲ့အသက်ရှူသွင်းပါအမလေးကြောင့်မှအလုပ်တွေများထားလေတတန်းပြီးတတန်းဝင်တတန်းထွက် subject တစ်ခုပြီးတစ်ခုလုံးလေးနဲ့ဒါကြရစပြီးတော့အခုတချို့ဆိုရင်18လောက်ရှိနေပြီတချို့ဆို14 15အနည်းဆုံး10နှစ်လောက်သားတို့သမီးတို့ဒီအနေကြောင်းနဲ့အိမ်အနေကြောင်းနဲ့အိမ်ကိုအသက်ရှူတာကိုသတိမထားမိကိုနှလုံးခုန်တာကိုသတိမထားမိကိုtummyကို stomach အလုပ်လုပ်တာကိုချင်းမစားမိအဲကြောင့်ဒီခန္ဓာကိုချင်းစားတဲ့စိတ်နဲ့ slow and deep breathing ဝင်လေတစ်ချက်ကိုတစ်ကနေလေးထိရစ်တွက်ပေးပါ count your in breath 1 to 4 for each breathခန္ဓာကိုပင်ပန်းတာတွေ့ရင်အဲ့ပင်ပန်းတာလေးကိုယထာထားပြီးနော် be kind to yourself be kind to your physical body စိတ်ကပင်ပန်းလို့ဒီကြားထဲမှာသူဘာလို့ရမလဲဒီနေ့ချောင်းပိတ်တာပြင်စားလို့ပြန်လိုက်ရမယ် အဲ့ဒါမျိုးတွေပေါ့နော်ပြီးရင်စာဝဲတွေရှိသေးတယ်subject ဘယ်နှခုတခါတည်းတွေးနေတာလေ auto thinking ဖြစ်နေတာအဲ့ဒီလိုဟိုရောက်ဒီရောက်နေတဲ့စိတ်အဲ့ဒီစိတ်ကိုလည်းပဲသာရသမီးတို့ကိုချင်းစာစိတ်လေးထားပြီးပါ Be kind to your mind. Don't blame it for being restless. Don't blame it for being all over the places. When the check will take an ingati to should be bound. Keep your head straight, your body straight. Go. Chào mà soạn thải mẹ. Chào mà soạn thải câu, chào mà soạn thả mẹ. Nhìn nhìn ta nè. Let the pack go na low bộ mà thả mẹ. Now let the pack go. One by bộ mà chat thả mẹ. You can do this at home. You can do this just before you do revision. Just before you do anything. Now increase breathing from 1 to 6. For each in-breath, count 1 to 6. Chip li be yi duen no? Chip li be yi duen. You don't have to perfect it. You don't need to be perfect. But you need to be kind to yourself. Sometimes you make mistake in the counting. That's okay. It's okay. Chỉ thao tiền mình lâu nào, lại thì mình lâu nào, khả năng của mình lâu xa nào. Ấy mà khả năng của lâu xa chỉ là suy, lâu xa chỉ là xây liu. Karuna tha lại, biết tha lại. Restless trên đi đây. Nên nét tha, trâu nét tha duệ lên, ai cái lấy từ. They don't know anything better. They don't know how to control themselves. So be kind to that child. That child is in me, is in you, is in everyone else, is in your mom and dad. We call that subconscious mind. Good, very good. You're doing very good, really good. Now increase up to 7. You're breathing up to 7. Slow and gentle breathing. Nhau mà slow, giá mà cậu nó, ta được nhiều. And a daytime recording is how to increase your willpower. Okay, I can see back to that low tipsy. Thank you. You all did very well.